Hi, this is Russell Murray from Delaware Business Incorporators, and in today's video I want to talk about an all-in-one business management software called Striven from a company called Miles Technologies out of Lumberton, New Jersey. We are currently using this software for our business. If you have a business, you need this CRM software. One of the modules in Striven is called Customer Relationship Management, otherwise known as a CRM. This CRM software is incredibly powerful and has many features. The CRM module is part of a larger all-in-one business management software. The CRM module is built into Striven and includes other modules such as project management, sales management, task management, inventory management, and customer and vendor portals. Let's take a look at the different sections in the CRM module. So this is our actual company dashboard, and just to give you an idea, all these things expand, but since it's a real company, this is our company, I'm not going to expand these, but just to give you an idea, we can show on the dashboard recent customers, we can add customers, we can look at recent contacts. Now, contact would be a person's name, whereas a customer is a company name. We can look at recent sales orders. On a happiness rating, we actually send out tasks, and when we complete the task for them, they can actually give us a rating. It's basically an internal rating system. We can get a summary of everything. We can do custom reports, gives us revenues, and all of these widgets can be managed and changed from over here. It's a really fast system. As you're seeing it right now, this is exactly what I'm seeing. This is how fast it is. And we can set up opportunities. Now in this case, we have, we start from leads. So leads would be somebody finds our website, we do an email campaign, and this information goes and it brings them to a website page, and they can actually fill out a little form, and that becomes a lead. Then we can convert the lead into an opportunity and see if there's a way that we can help the customer. And then we'll have a back and forth conversation, and eventually if it's something that we can help them with, we'll actually go to and prepare a sales order. It's a no obligation sales order. That's similar to a quote or an estimate. And so it's a very powerful system. It's really easy to use and it's fast. That's what I really like about it, is the speed of the system. Plus it's got so many features and things that makes your life easier as either a business owner or a manager or somebody who's working for somebody that has decided to get Striven for their business management software. So all these areas are set up, and the nice thing is you can change these things around too. So these little widgets around. So it's really easy. I can move this over to here if I want. When I close that, that's moved right over to here. So to give you an idea, so let's say we'll look at leads real quick. So here's our leads. So we've got to work on these leads. We've got a number of them today. And I don't want to show an actual lead, but let's see if we add one here. This will go into our internal lead section. But we have a number of forms throughout our website, so depending on what the customer is looking for, they can let us know that. Now opportunities, these are real opportunities that have come in, and these are people that we're going to, that we're following up on. And in another video, well, I'll talk about it in this video, we can actually set up multi-touch emails that actually, these are email campaigns built on these opportunities. So you know how when you set up an opportunity and it's like, oh my gosh, I have to do the follow-up, and how do I keep track of all that? With Striven, it's automatic. All you do is you set up your fields in your email, and you tell it what fields to pull out for filtering, what your email message is going to be. You can even go down to the individual employee level and say, I want this employee to send this particular email for these opportunities. So it's really powerful. This would be our orders. This would be and any expirations that are coming up. So this is basically the CRM module, which is called sales. And here's the multi-touch we can look at, fairly quickly. Here we can add a campaign. What you do is you let's give it a name. We'll call it a test campaign. Can't spell today. Then you can select the recipient. So you can say, okay, I want everybody who's a customer, who's a primary contact. Let's see here, we'll filter it by our category here. So you can do this you can filter recipients of this multi-touch campaign by vendors, opportunities, sales orders, and projects. And in the future, they're going to be having tasks set up. So you can actually have automatic emails go out based on tasks that are open and need to be taken care of. So in this case here, we've got, it tells us based on that parameter, whoops, we want to take that out. Let's see, we want to add a filter, and the filter is going to be a category, and the category is going to be called this here. So we'll do this, and there should only be one. So, and then the other nice thing about these multi-touch campaigns, and this is all part of the CRM system, is you can actually send out your reminders, and you can actually have different message types. So if you're sending out a message type that is an opportunity, you have to allow customers to unsubscribe from that. Same with a marketing. But a general email or a billing email, you don't have to give the customer the ability to unsubscribe from that. So it gives you the ability to get very granular with the types of subscriptions that you have. So this is basically a subscription, and these are custom subscriptions that we set up. So in this case here, let's say I just set up one for a general, we'll do marketing. And then what you can do is you type in your message here. And you can set it as recurring. You can send it automatically. You can have it send just to me. You can put in the test subject, goes here. And then once you save and close that, that becomes a permanent part of your record. Very powerful. And that's part of a CRM, basically. So I'm going to get rid of this one, and that'll be that. So that's CRM with Striven, and they have a 30-day free trial. So I encourage you to go to our website, which is DelawareBusinessIncorporators.com, and there's a link in this video description, so you can actually go there and fill out one of our lead forms that will help you get set up for a 30-day free trial. So I thank you for listening.